add some circular shapes. No need to be perfectly round, but you can make any shape actually. But for this tutorial, we will stick to the circular shapes. I think this is enough. Now add one little nose in the center of the face. You can give direction to your face with this. Now add two little dots. Make it closer. If you add very far, it will lose the impact. So very close, two dots like this. Now add a face, a mouth. So you can add a line, a mouth. Sad or add eyebrows. Just the little lines. Add ears. For side face, the one ear is good. So this is a very simple face. You can add here just a squiggle. We will talk about hair later, but you can add here any kind of hair. So the secret is don't overdo it. Don't like this. Don't make it overdo it. If you overdo it, it will be a waste. So don't overdo it. And this is your first lesson, the face. So we will learn about expressions and the body, the hair, and the style, the face shapes, the character proportions, and so much things in the later chapters. But for this is for you to build confidence that anyone can draw. So I think this is very simple. You can draw any shape. Add two ears, little eyes, a nose, and a mouth, and also hair. So very simple. So try it yourself and let me know